Hi, Jeff. Okay, I see the differences from last week's submission. You filled in the fill here. You've got white, black, gray shades of gray. So I think this is good. I think it's more effective like this in terms of defining and establishing a relationship with form than it was with just the outlines from last week. So I think we can take this even further and start displaying in this composition. First of all, you did a nice job breaking up the negative space. This is gorgeous right here. I really do. I think it's really a sharp layout. It's going to work. Good job establishing a focal point for which to place your main typographic message. I've got that's a good decision. Good decision. The actual typographic experimentation, I think, could be show a little bit more variety. For example, in the first two, you've got the type. The only thing that's changing here is the typefaces. So, and then in the second one, the only thing that's changing is the typefaces. So you've only established two different typographic layouts. I would recommend in your typographic layouts, you establish as many variety changes as you can. I mean, try and place some type up here for the headline. Try and place some type down here for the headline and the subhead up here. Try 4 completely different configurations. And moving forward in your design career, you'll see that when you are doing type studies, it'll be the best. It'll provide you the most variety and help you make your decisions based on that variety. If you establish 4 completely different layouts when it comes to typography. So I think the thing that's happening here is you've got, like I said, you've got a great focal point, wonderful treatment of the negative space, very nice rhythm. We're lacking variety a little bit in that your shapes are all basically the exact same size. So let's do this. I would like to see, it's okay that you have that exact same size. I'm going to make a couple recommendations, okay? The bottom is great. I love it. Let's forget about the typography for right now. In the top, let's do something with depth. Let's do something with depth right here. So let's do overlap and diminishing size right through here. Don't forget your shading. So you can put a radial gradient on that, duplicate it twice, each time becomes smaller, right? And then overlap and the fact that they're becoming smaller are going to do what? They're going to imply depth, all right? Then what I would like to do is behind that composition, take the triangle and just place it maybe on a skew like that or like that. But a large triangle just to show a nice variation in scale, right? And then in this is great right here. This is great. Maybe you could even show a little increase. Each one gets bigger as we get towards the top. So what I'm getting at here is just to try to employ some variety in the composition. Okay, so that's what I would like to see. Also, you got to use the whole picture plane. So you've got this whole picture plane. That's your work area. Use it. I mean, try to really. You've got a lot of valuable real estate here to work with. So I'm just, you've only used about the center 2/3 of the composition. So I would definitely employ the entire picture plane. Plus, it'll give you a little more room. I think it'll be more room to breathe. I don't think that layout will appear to be so cramped once you use the entire picture plane. So as far as the typography goes, I'm going to go with this one right here. I am. I'm not sold. I mean, Design Day seems to go right there. I'm not sold about putting the type down here. I mean, maybe you could even place the type. I don't know. Think about it. But I'd like to see work with the elements and principles first in the visual, the form, and then work on your typography. Okay. All right. Those would be my recommendations moving forward. So if you have any questions at all, please let me know. I'll be glad to clarify. Thank you very much, Jeff.